Jesus, he's still swaying.
Okay, I'll stop swaying.
No, that's alright. He can still sway. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today, we're gonna try to fix my ignition problem that I'm having. Usually when the car is started, it doesn't want to turn off. Or when I take the key out, it basically stays running. So I went to Advance. I got a little wonderful ignition switch. So hopefully this will fix my problem. If not, it's probably going to be wiring, and that's going to suck.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh yeah, and another thing, off the camera, I took off the little hood scoops on here. As you can tell, there's a lot of freaking Bondo fiberglass, a bunch of crap. In a future episode, I'm gonna sand it all down, and I think I'm gonna paint it black, or maybe another color, maybe. But so basically, what you want to do, you just want to go into the car. Usually your car will have this on top of it, like so. It's just held on by a couple of screws. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. And then basically you just pry it off. You got to be careful because it's fragile. And there's just one little Phillips screw in here. You just want to take that off, and then basically this will pop off, and then the wiring under here, you just unclip it, and then you just put the new one in. So oh god. I had it last time. Oh, there we go. So yeah, as you can tell, it's been tampered with. Off the camera, it had a remote start and an alarm on it, and I basically took all that off. One's off. As you can tell, it's got like some corrosion around it, so I'm hoping that this is the problem, because the car starts and everything, it just doesn't want to turn off. So I've been looking at forums and everything, and this is one of the things they told people to replace. So this is gonna be my first step, because I really don't want to replace the wire harness. So all you're going to do is basically just feed it back up, and then just plug it back in. But for now, we're just going to test it. Alright. So you got to make sure it's all the way in. Just take the little screw again. And make sure the two holes line up. I don't know if you can see it, but the little screw hole down here, it should line up where you gotta put the screwdriver.
Did you break it?
In, and then you're basically just going to take the plug. I know you probably can't see it in there, but I can. Make sure it's in neutral. So see, this is the problem I'm having. Key's out. The ignition. Let's replace this. It's brand new. So got to do something with either the whole cylinder, but it clicks and everything. So we'll figure something out. Alright, so as you can tell, this wiring, don't mind the rust. I don't know what these go to. So if any of you guys know exactly what wires these go to the harness, the fuse box, because I've already tried switching the relays. Alright, so that's basically going to be, it's not like a really DIY, it's just me trying to figure out what's wrong with my $200 Nissan 240 that I got. Hopefully you guys like this, and if you guys are new, subscribe. If you guys have been here for a while, you know, hopefully you guys like what car I picked. Yeah, that's about it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Have a good day.